Hey guys, double dhamaka. Zepto has come up with free gifts on Zepto plus on Super Saver store. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. आप कैसे हो? नल्ला इरकिंगा. As you see here, we have bought some grocery on Zepto. There are free gifts available on Zepto store plus on Super Saver store as well, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. As you see here, you can check out offers and deals, especially flash deals on Zepto, which come up every day. This is Nupur henna, pure henna. You just have to mix it with lukewarm water. If you want, you can add some of the ingredients which are shown up on the screen. Otherwise, you can add just coconut oil and lukewarm water. Mix it thoroughly. Wait for 2 hours to apply on your hair. As shown in the picture, you can apply. Let henna sit for 3 to 4 hours to see the result. As you see in the picture, you can cover your gray hair, but the color is not that dark copper red and it's not satisfactory. You can even apply on your hands. Okay, next we see what's a free gift from Zepto. These are potato bites, or you can say potato pops from mccain. As you see here, there are no preservatives added, and you can enjoy this crispy outside and inside soft fleshy potato pops. It's an instant snack, a frozen snack which you can enjoy. No thawing please, just you have to put it in hot oil, stir it once as you see in the picture. Wait for 3 minutes and serve hot. You will enjoy the flavor of this pops. It's super yum. As you see here, you can add some dips. You can enjoy with mayonnaise or ketchup. As you see in the picture, is it not yummy? Let me know in the comment section. Here comes Super Saver free gifts. You can have 2 free gifts on the order value $17.99. You can pick or choose any of the free gifts from the bunch over there, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. As you see, these ice creams are super yum, chocolatey, creamy. Now we'll see as how to get free gifts. Go to Zepto, click on Zepto. You have 100 off on fashion store. You can check out. Here you can see free gift on order value $499 rupees. You can slide to Zepto Super Saver, and here you have free gift or free cash. Sorry, 2 free gifts are available. You can choose. Free cash 100 also you can choose. You have here coffee store. You can click on coffee store. You can spin and win a coupon. Click on claim now and add the product to the cart on which you want discount. You can get back and check this electronic store where the crazy deals are at 99 rupees, and below also, as you see here, you can add to cart the products you want. And after adding all the products to the cart, please do check with the flash deals that come up every day and go to view cart. Here you can see a free gift is added to the cart. So mccain potato bites has been added to the cart, and you can slide to Super Saver and come down. Here you can unlock free gift or free cash. 2 free gifts are available. Otherwise, you can pick free cash as well if you want. So here I pick up 2 free gifts. Ice creams are my favorite, so I have chose that. After selecting the free gift, you can see the 2 free gifts are added to the cart. Now go to apply coupon and apply the coupon whichever you want. Then check out. Here you can see after applying the coupon, free gifts are at 0 rupees. After confirming, place your order and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.